with my amazing friend Abe. We are gonna decorate. Say hi.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm gonna try to decorate. Gabrielle is going to decorate.
No, he's gonna do. He doesn't know it yet. He just showed me an amazing cake that he made for his son. Like, it's awesome. It is amazing.
Let it out of the bag.
No,
it's not amazing. It's not. But I tried really hard.
He made a beautiful car. I'm like, that really takes some skill. So this, I know he's gonna do amazing. Guys, we're making an American flag. And I wanted to do something that he liked and that you guys are gonna enjoy. Super excited. He is gonna make it so special. Look at this.
It'll still taste good.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
That's all I can say.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be good. So I kind of wanted to do like a rosette pattern here because that's pretty simple.
What does that mean?
So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you the first bit and then you can just copy what I do here. So, okay, we'll start with blue because this is where the stars are and we're just going to kind of make a little bit of a square here. So, you'll get it in. So we're just going to squeeze it like this and go around in a circle. You see?
Oh my God.
Look at that. See?
No, that looks beautiful. This is gonna, okay, do one more. Do one more for me.
So we're gonna do it one more time. There we go.
Oh, man.
So we'll probably do, I would say maybe 3.
Yeah. Okay. Circles.
Yes, circles. Just little baby rosettes is what we say. We start in the center and go around in a beautiful rosette. I think you can do it. Yay! He did it! He did it! That's awesome! Oh my gosh.
It's big.
Check
It's
that
too
out.
small.
Oh, no! That's perfect!
Okay.
And you know, it can always get covered up with stars if you don't like it too, so that's...
We're gonna do so many stars.
No.
All the stars.
This is
All right.
awesome. Well, great.
Do I need more of these?
So I would say you probably need, let's say 2, maybe...
2 more rows?
Yeah, 2 more rows. Check it out!
I didn't start in the middle on that one out.
Oh, it's okay. We got plenty of stars.
Good.
This is great, man. Cake decorating goes one of 2 ways. People either love it, they love to do it to relax. I mean, when I do cake classes, you guys, I've seen all across the spectrum. People who are so excited, who are loving it, who feel exhilarated, and then there's some that panic really bad.
It was probably...
Great!
We need so many stars right there.
No, you're
This
fine.
could be fun if it were in the privacy of my own home. But
Oh,
when you're
no.
on film,
Oh,
my
no.
gosh,
Oh.
the pressure.
No, I know.
Pressure.
It can be tragic.
Goodness.
It can be bad, but you're doing great. You're doing totally fine. So, this is perfect. So now what we're going to do is 2 rows. So I'm going to do a row of white and then we have plenty of buttercream. So I'm going to do 1 row and then I'll let you come through with another one to do the other ones. Now I like to use Ziploc bags just because they're really easy to clean. The cleanup is really nice. This buttercream is a little bit more firm, so I just try to warm it up a little bit. But here we go. Now we're gonna do some red, and I'm gonna have you just follow this pattern. So now it's your turn. You might warm it up just a little bit, because I think maybe that helps it. Because then it's a little bit more smooth. Otherwise, it's like fighting to get out of the bag. But buttercream, it goes, you know, it can get really mushy quick. So you want to make sure that this is great. Oh man, that's awesome. This is perfect. You guys are gonna love this cake.
We picked a great subject matter because just today I purchased my Fields of Honor American flag to go on display with the Forest Rotary Club. So it's going to be like a fundraiser, and it's to honor veterans and folks in the military. And so there's going to be over 1,000 flags in one big field. And we do a service on Saturday morning, the 20th anniversary, September 11th. And so I just bought a flag for that. We nailed it.
This is amazing.
Well done.
I'm telling you, it's nothing like getting your hands into frosting and decorating to have a good time. This guy is loving it. This cake looks amazing. You guys, I tell you what, next time we do a live, Nathan is a friend of Abe's. Nathan knows a lot of really awesome people he tags. I think once we get through getting a lot of you guys in the video, we should do one big free-for-all. What do you say, guys?
Like,
I know.
all of us at once?
All of you guys at
Okay,
once.
yeah,
I think that
okay.
would be amazing, don't you?
Yes.
Look
Yes.
at you going, man.
Well, look at me going crooked. I'm kind of.
Oh, that's okay. That's
It's
totally
like a
fine.
poorly shingled roof.
No, that's totally fine. And the cool thing is, as you add more buttercream, you just put a little more buttercream over there. Oh my gosh, look, you've got some serious skills, man. Are you sure you don't do like pastry stuff on the side?
None ever.
It can be anything you want it to be today. Look at this. Check this out, man. This is amazing. You talk about pressure. This looks great.
Serious pressure.
This looks awesome, guys. You can put the stars on, and then I'm going to show everybody. So just place it wherever you want, you know? Just wherever. If you see like some gaps you want to cover up, you can.
Oh yeah, do that. That's great.
Awesome. Oh man, this is awesome, baby.
This is really
So
fun.
cool.
I love
You
it.
can do this. You can do this.
Well, no, I cannot do this. How would I ever do this without your guidance?
You can do this. You can make a quarter sheet, right? Make a quarter sheet. Make some buttercream. Show it off to your friends. Everyone's gonna think you're the cake boss, man. Check this out. Oh my gosh, man. This is fantastic. This makes my heart so happy. This is so cool.
Did you make these little stars? Is that
I
something
did.
you made?
Yes.
Like, I don't know.
No, this is something people made.
They're really cool. Yeah, this is great.
This is what. Oh, sorry. I want to take this. We got a little bit of some slippage going on over here on the side.
Yeah. Oh, it totally melted itself down. Oh, how do you fix that? What does a
Here's
real
how.
professional do?
This happens to me, let me tell you, summer and buttercream is a nightmare. But the only thing is when your hands can get so warm, you know, when you're working, sometimes the buttercream will melt faster. And that's okay, because you just scrape it off and do it again.
You do it. You're done now.
This is awesome, man.
I didn't do it right. I couldn't prevent,
No.
I couldn't prevent the slippage of the mouse.
You did it perfectly. This is part of cake decorating. When you're in the heat or you're in anywhere, you know, you have to, anything can affect how the cake comes out. And I'm sure you know that. I'm sure you had experience with that. Ooh, there you go.
So let me ask you, the people who are watching right now, are these people who bake cakes?
We have like so many different kinds. We have people who bake, people who aspire to bake, people who take cake classes.
You do classes?
I do. We actually do
okay.
cake classes here.
Oh, you should have led with that.
Yes, we do.
Because then I would have taken your class before I did this.
No. All right, so I'm just gonna take some of this buttercream here. You know, like it gets warm in our hands, we don't even realize it. So I'm just gonna take it and squeeze it out. Sorry.
No, keep reading.
And then I'm going to add some extra buttercream here. This stuff here is not as warm. And we'll just fix that little star right up. And we'll put it go.
All right.
Wow, guys, take a look. Oh, see?
No, it does. You did a good job.
This is amazing. Right?